Welcome back, children. I hope you all are safe at home. This is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira.
Mathematics class for third standard.
From this class, we will be learning the first lesson, shapes.
See this picture, children. What is this? Yes, this is a house. This is drawn using shapes: triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. Now you are thinking, what are these? Now we will learn that. Shapes. A shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline. Now we will learn the types of shapes. They are 2D shapes and 3D shapes. There are a number of shapes all around us. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface, such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth, so it also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. The four basic shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Now we will learn about square. A square has four sides, four vertices. All four sides of a square are equal. Let us see some examples of square-shaped objects. This chessboard looks like a square, and this clock also looks like a square. There are so many things in your house. Which are in square shape? Find it out. Which are in square shape? Find it out. Now we will learn about rectangle. Rectangle has four sides, four vertices. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now let us see some examples of rectangle. You will eat biscuits now? The biscuit also will be in rectangular shape. You can see rectangle everywhere. The scale which we use to draw lines and the door. Observe that in all these objects, the opposite sides are equal. This is a triangle. A triangle has three sides and three vertices. These are some examples of triangle. See these chips. You will like chips now? The chips will also look like a triangle. Ask your mother. She will hang clothes now? Check in your house. Hangers will also be in triangular shape. The carrot, radish will also looks like a triangle. A circle is a shape bounded by a curved line. Observe these examples, children. Now we walk on the road. You will see traffic lights now. The lights in the traffic signal will also be in circular shape. See this plate. This is in which shape? Yes, it is in circular shape. The bottle cap which you put your bottle will also look like a circle. The lines which join the opposite corners of a quadrilateral are called diagonals. These diagonals divides quadrilateral into four parts. See, these are sides. A quadrilateral has four sides. These are the four corners. These dotted lines are diagonals. In a rectangle, also diagonals are equal. Till now, we learnt about plane figures which can be drawn on a plane surface or a paper. Now we will learn about 3D shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth, and height. So a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shape. In this class, we will learn about cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. 3D shape has three main parts. They are face, edge, corner or vertex. The side of the particular shape is called the face. The line where two faces meet is called an edge. The point where three edges meet is called vertex. Now we will learn about the cube. A cube is a three-dimensional figure. In a cube, every face is a square. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows all the vertices of the cube. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows all the edges of the cube. Let us see some examples of cube. You have played with Rubik's cube, no? It will also look like a cube. And the building blocks will also look like a cube. A cuboid is a three-dimensional figure. In a cuboid, every face is a rectangle. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows all the vertices of the cuboid. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows all the edges of the cuboid. See children, you will watch TV, no? It will also look like a cuboid. And read books, no? It is also a cuboid. Now we will learn about cone. A cone is a three-dimensional figure. In a cone, one face is plane and other is curved. It has 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 vertex. See children, the arrow mark in this picture shows vertex of the cone. See children, the arrow mark in this picture shows edge of the cone. Observe these examples. Children, you will eat ice cream, no? It will also look like a cone. While celebrating birthday, you will wear birthday cap, no? It is an example for cone. Now we will learn about cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional figure. In a cylinder, 2 faces are plane and 1 face is curved. And it has 2 edges, no vertex. See children, the arrow marks in this picture shows edges. Observe these pictures children. The shell and juice can also examples for cylinder. Do this homework children. Draw the solid shapes and write the number of faces, edges and vertices in the given space. Thank you children. All the best for next activity. Stay home, stay safe.